Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
What do you want for dinner?
I want spaghetti.
Where is your school bag?
It's in my room.
Who is your best friend?
Rachika is my best friend.
Where did you go after school?
I went to the library.
Why are you late?
The bus was delayed.
Who is coming to your birthday party?
My friends are coming.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Where did you put your shoes?
I put them in the closet.
Why do you like to read?
It's fun and interesting.
Do you want to play outside?
Yes, I do.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework.
Where were you yesterday?
I was at school.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
Where is your mother?
She's at work.
Why is it raining?
It's because of the clouds.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Where did you get that toy?
I got it for my birthday.
Why do you like summer?
Because I can go swimming.
Who is your favorite superhero?
Spider-Man is my favorite.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I do.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
Where do you want to go for vacation?
I want to go to the beach.
Why do you like chocolate?
Because it tastes good.
Do you have any homework?
No, I don't.
Where did you put your jacket?
I put it on the chair.
What do you want to do this weekend?
I want to go to the park.
Where do you want to go for dinner?
I want to go to the pizza place.
Why do you have a sad face?
Because I lost my toy.
What do you want to watch on TV?
I want to watch cartoons.
Where did you find that book?
I found it in the library.
Why do you like your teacher?
Because she's nice.
Who is coming to visit us?
Grandma and Grandpa are coming.
Do you want to go to bed now?
No, I want to stay up a little longer.
What do you like to eat for lunch?
I like sandwiches.
Where do you want to go for your birthday?
I want to go to the zoo.
Why do you have a backpack?
I have it for school.
Do you have a favorite toy?
Yes, I have a teddy bear.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to the park.
Where did you get that pretty dress?
My mom bought it for me.
Do you like to play outside?
Yes, I do.
Where is your favorite place to go on weekends?
The playground is my favorite.
What do you want to do on your summer vacation?
I want to go camping.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
We went to the beach.
Why do you have your backpack on?
Because I'm going to school.
What do you want for your birthday present?
I want a bicycle.
Where did you learn to ride a bike?
My dad taught me.
Why do you have your coat on?
Because it's cold outside. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.